Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to edit folder name on GitHub. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in github.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to GitHub if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have in the top left corner the three lines where you have the home, issues, pull requests, and so on. And in the top right corner, when you click on your profile picture, we have your set status, your profile, your repositories, etc, etc. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and edit folder name on GitHub. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So renaming a folder on GitHub is straightforward, and here's how you can do it directly on the GitHub website. First of all, open the repository. So navigate to the repository where the folder is located, like this. Access the folder. Click on any file inside the folder you want to rename. Edit the file, click the pencil icon to edit the file. Then rename the folder. Then commit changes. So after remaining, scroll down and click on the commit changes button to save your changes. Alternatively, you can use the GitHub website editor. So open the repository, open the web editor, rename the folder, and commit and push. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.